Hi, my name's Clarence. I'm one of the product managers at PharosControls.com. So these are our interfaces. So these are devices that are dependent on a controller, as mentioned in previous videos. They basically add additional functionality. So for example, the BPS adds buttons to your project. These can be put straight into a wall and can be completely configured to show various types of illumination on them. Each button will fire a different trigger within the software, but that's all configurable by you. The TPS is similar to TPC, except it has no control functionality, so it can't output any DMX on its own. This is useful if you just need a simple interface. Again, everything is completely customizable on it. It's completely up to you. Our RIO range, especially the numbered RIO ranges, are adding additional outputs or inputs to our devices. This can allow you to extend your range from next to the box to anywhere in the house. They all work over Ethernet, and they're all PoE powered. This allows them to be placed anywhere in your building and send all their commands straight back to the controller. Our lettered RIO ranges allow either audio input, which can be used for triggering with timecode to keep your entire show running on time, or for the RIO D, it allows us to output dialing. Each RIO D can hold up to 64 ballasts, so you don't need that many to fully light up your office building. And that's our interface range. You can find more information at PharosControls.com.